Alright guys, here we are in game number 9, below my friend Byron. Pretty much it's like Team Hammer versus Team Storm in a way. So the front 7 went a pinch either light or fast, I have no idea. And I leave the 2-4-8 and I made that. So let's see what else I can do this game.
Highlight your bar. Alright, well remind me and I'll take it and I'll send it.
Alright, 265 game. Pretty damn good.